This is the GE General Electric Space Maker microwave. The weird thing is that's the time. Nothing's inside of it. When you open it up, it starts zapping right away. It's creepy. This is the second one we've gotten. We've gotten two Space Maker GE Space Maker microwaves. The first one just wouldn't work. The second one, it lights up, works and everything, but when you open it up, it starts going off. And you can't shut it off. I get scared when you put stuff in, it's gonna zap you. We got time. I figured out sometimes if you put it on for like 3 minutes or something and open it halfway through, it'll stop doing that. But for now, it goes like this. Creepy. What do you think?